Okay, just now going to look at the bracket. And the bracket starts against the spacer, so I'm just going to project a line up from where the spacer is. Okay, project it up and down actually. It comes down quite a long way, so just project that line down. Height wise, if you have a look at the drawing here, it's going to be right in the middle of this bit here. Okay, so the centre line is going to be right in the middle of this here. So how do you work that out then? Well, this between corners, that's what I mean, 72 is a 72 here, right? So that's 36 from the centre up plus another 30 is 66. So measure up 66. Okay, that takes us to there. And then this comes across 38, because that's how wide it is there, so 38 is there. Okay. That then comes down to there, right? Comes down to that point there, and that's 30 plus 72 plus another 30. So I've got that worked out here, that's 132. So we're going down 132 from there. Just to there, that point there. And I'll just draw a line across at that point. It then moves out and then down again. The overall distance from the centre down we can work out from, it's going to be 86 plus, I'll just do this here, 86 plus 36. Okay, so that's 2, carry 1, 1, 2, 2. Right, so from the centre it's going to be 1, 2, 2. Let me just double check that sum. 66, 12. Yeah, 1, 2, 2 down from the centre line. 186 in total. Sorry, not 186. 86 to there, plus another 36. Yeah, that's right. So 122 down in total. So I'm just going to measure this. That's where the bottom's going to be there. Okay, so when we get to this point here, we're going to be coming out and then down. So we've got to work out like some information about this, right? And it's a bit, I have to say, it's quite tricky, this, right? This bit's in the middle and it's 10 wide, right? So that means that if you take 10 away from 28, 38, you get 28. So that means that in here is 14. Okay. If I measure in 14, takes me to there. Measure in 14, takes me to there, right? And I know that from this, that I have to come out 31. So I'm just going to draw a line here to help me do that. So I'm coming out 31 from that. There's 31 there. Takes me to there. Project that down. The height of this bit is 18, so we're coming up 18 here. So there. This bit is 18. Right, and then between here and here we have a slope. That does that. Now we've got that line extends along here. The width of this is 92, so we go 92 along to there, and that gives us a point there. So this bit looks like this. Okay, and we've got this, we've got a web actually that goes up here. We'll finish off in a minute. Right, this here is a tangent basically. It's got a radius of 72. Okay, so what we need to do is find the centre of that so that we can do a curve. Now it's a tangent to that point, it's a tangent to that point. So basically you set your compass to 70. Right. And you draw an arc over here somewhere. And then an arc from here. Okay, and that gives you your centre point. And then you just put your compass in there as careful as you can. And then you get an arc that goes up to there. Okay, so that's that bit done. So we've got a kind of basic shape now of the thing, which will darken in a wee bit so that you can see it a bit better. I know I haven't dealt with any of the wee feet and all that kind of stuff yet, but we can do that. And of course, I just drop my compass, it's not good. So that comes down there. This comes down here. Right, where does the web come to? Well, it's in line with that there. Okay, so it should be a 30 up from this point. Basically we show it like that, and then we show wee tiny fillets like this on it, and the same at the top, wee fillets like that, wee fillets like that. Okay, that's how you show that bit. Okay, we've also got some hidden detail there as well of some other stuff on the other side, so we'll stick with that just now. Okay. Right, so what else have we got to do? Well, we've got to finish off the bolt here. We've got to do the wee feet and stuff down the bottom. I mean, it's kind of dead easy that, you know, it's just like 3mm up here, and it's just a hidden detail along here. Okay, the feet and the wee holes and stuff have to be included in it as well. So they come up 3mm as well. So you get 3mm up. Yeah, and we'll just draw the line here, and that's the height of the wee feet. The position of them, I probably need to get that from here, I think, to be honest. (18mm and 10mm. Now, does it actually give you the centres of them? I don't see that just now. I'll come back to that later. Okay, I'm not too worried about that just now. I'll come back to that later. Right, I'm going to finish off the innards of this just now. to show you. Right, I'm just going to extend this screw thread back just now. Some of it we're going to see, some of it we're not, but just extend it back just now. So I kind of left that at the start. And I'll just extend this as well, down. And just use the compass to measure it. Make sure it's as accurate as we can get it. Into there. I'm just showing this thread. See, some of this is going to be hidden details, so I'm just going to have to draw it. Now this is just a freehand curve here. Try and get it the same as the other one. That's pretty good actually. On the end. Okay, right. Apart from the hatching and stuff that we still have to do, we're almost there really with this, almost there. I'm going to draw in, I'm going to show you how to draw the washer and the nut that we have to do. Okay. I don't know whether we've got details of the washer. But there has to be a washer and a nut. It tells you that there actually. Step section, assemble parts with a plain washer. Okay, right. Now, just again to refer you to your book. I'll do this in the next video because that's 12 minutes again.